Hello friends, welcome to my channel. Today's video you are going to learn basic formatting options in Excel related to font. As you can see on the screen, we have one sample formatted data and other one is unformatted data, and this is our today's task. First I will explain you the basic font option in MS Excel, then we will complete our task. Just I'm selecting this myself and I want to change font style, so you can change from here. So there are many options available in Excel, whichever you want you can apply. So here font option, if you want to adjust your font size, here font size option is there. See, next is increase font size. If you want to directly increase your font size from here, you can increase it. Simply click here, and if you want to decrease directly from here, you can. Next, just apply bold style. The shortcut is Control plus B. So bold option is there. If you don't want, just click once again on that same option. Next, we can make our font or any number of your data in italic style. The shortcut is Control I. If you don't want, again click on same option. If you want underline, just click here underline, and shortcut is Control U. If you want double underline, that option is also available, double underline. If you don't want, just click once again on that option. Again, next option is there borders. Okay, in borders there are different types of border. You can choose whichever you want, like bottom or top, left, right, no border, all borders, outside borders, thick outside borders, bottom double border, thick bottom border, top and bottom border, top and thick bottom border, top and double bottom border. This is, we can select data and directly apply all borders like this. If you don't want, like no borders. If you want to different line style, you can select any style, any color, and draw from here. If you want to draw grid, you can draw border grid. See, if you want to erase some part of from border, you can erase. So this is about border. Next option is there fill color. Fill color in the sense we can use this option for highlighting background also. See, whichever color you want, you can use here. If you don't want, just select once again and no fill. If you want more colors, so here more colors option is there. Standard colors are options, then custom colors are there. Exactly whichever you want combination want, you can use it. Next is font color. Okay, if you want to change your color of font, so you can. So I'm see, if you want similarly more colors, you can pick from here. Okay, if you don't want color, so again automatic you can choose. So this is about basic formatting option related to font. Now it's time to perform our task.